You've probably heard of Airwallex. Maybe you've used it for international transfers, or perhaps you're intrigued by its promise of faster, cheaper payments. But can you really use it as your primary bank account? This is a question a lot of people are asking, and today, we're diving deep into it. Let's face it, traditional banks can be a drag. Fees, long queues, and outdated technology often leave us feeling frustrated. So, when a fintech company like Airwallex comes along with a sleek app and promises to revolutionize banking, it's tempting to jump on board. But is it practical? Let's find out. First off, what exactly is Airwallex? It's a financial technology company that offers a range of financial services, including international money transfers, business accounts, and payment processing. They've gained popularity for their speed, low fees, and ease of use. But is that enough to make it a viable replacement for a traditional bank account? Let's break it down. Airwallex, the good. Speed. Airwallex is renowned for its lightning-fast transactions. If you need money to move quickly, they're your go-to. Low fees. Compared to traditional banks, Airwallex often offers significantly lower fees, especially for international transfers. Ease of use. The Airwallex app is user-friendly, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. Global reach. If you deal with international clients or have a global business, Airwallex can be a game-changer. Airwallex, the bad. Limited features. While Airwallex offers a range of services, it still lacks some core features of traditional banks, such as physical branches, overdraft protection, and check writing capabilities. Customer support. While improving, Airwallex's customer support might not be as robust as a traditional bank's. Security. While Airwallex employs strong security measures, no financial platform is entirely immune to cyber threats. Regulatory challenges. Fintech companies like Airwallex operate in a constantly evolving regulatory environment, which can impact their services. So, can you use Airwallex as your sole bank account? It depends on your needs and lifestyle. If you're a digital nomad who primarily deals with online transactions and international payments, Airwallex might be a great option. However, if you rely on features like physical branches, overdraft protection, or a traditional checking account, you might need to maintain a traditional bank account as well. The hybrid approach. Many people find that a hybrid approach works best. They use Airwallex for its strengths, speed, low fees, and international transfers, while keeping a traditional bank account for day-to-day transactions and services. This way, you get the best of both worlds. The future of banking. Airwallex is undoubtedly part of the future of banking. Fintech companies are challenging traditional banks, offering innovative solutions and driving competition. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting developments in the financial world. With that said, it's essential to do your own research and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Consider your specific needs, financial habits, and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.